quite a lot has been happening in Enugu State. Yes, we've not been capturing a lot of things in Enugu State enough. So I was just driving around today and we decided to say, okay, let's just show you guys a glimpse of what is currently happening around Enugu State. So I'm currently just at New Haven Junction, close to the Naira Triangle. So I'm just going to do a spin around from here to New Haven just to show you guys a glimpse of the environment. Governor Mbah of Enugu State has been highly significant in terms of improving the roads around the state. So this is Naira Triangle currently that we are on. Of course, you know, this is Port Harcourt Express, and the bridge work is still going on, as you know. And you can see that all of this place, a new asphalt was poured here by the current governor of Enugu State, just to keep the road neat, and all of this sidewalk was neatly done. And I know he intends to paint, because some areas we are going to be driving to, we are going to be showing you guys some work that has been done, and pavement like this that has been painted. And even off towards Abakaliki Road, a new asphalt has been laid entirely. You know, it just caught my attention today when I saw some of the workers again in New Haven precisely, which we are going to be passing through again. New work entirely is going on around New Haven. You know, new asphalt is being laid on an existing road that is very good. So it's just ensuring to see that every road in the state is neat, and not just neat, they are all solid. So the height, or what do I call it now, the thickness of the road is very strong currently around Enugu State. So it's literally revamping the entire road in the state, which I think is quite encouraging and massive. So for as many of you who have not seen our video on the asphalt plant newly launched by the Enugu State government, you can go check out our video catalog on Enugu State and you will see that. So we are currently trying to use a one-way road on this Abakaliki Express because they blocked it. Work is still going on the other lane. They are still putting more asphalt on the other lane. So we are just navigating to New Haven now. We've left the junction where we kickstarted this video from, and as you can see, all of this side, though used to be very bad, there are some potholes around here, very deep potholes. All has been entirely fixed by the governor, and we'll be entering New Haven now to show you guys. So just pay a keen attention to the road. You will see that literally everywhere now they are pouring asphalt around Enugu State, so which is quite good. So if you are new to our channel, you are welcome to Arlin TV. Kindly do well to click on the subscribe button, also turn on notification bell to be part of our big family. For returning subscribers, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. So this is the junction coming from Abaka. This is the first junction in New Haven coming from Abaka Junction. You can see the camera, the CCTV camera installation has already been done there, and the roundabout around there too is looking all neat. So if you observe this portion as well, you see that this asphalt also is newly poured on this road. Yes guys, it's just newly poured this asphalt, and not just on this lane, the other lane as well, same thing was also done, just to ensure there is no potholes in the new state. When he did the launch for what's it called, when he did the launch for the asphalt plant, he actually said his plan is to have as much roads constructed, and that asphalt plant is going to aid him in achieving the amount of road he intends to commission in Enugu State or do in Enugu State. So I think it's really achieving that. All of this portion, there were some grumpy parts and some bad spots around all of this section before in New Haven. You can see that all of them has been entirely fixed. Impressive, I must tell you, impressive. I'm just waiting for them to come and cut these grasses just to keep it down a little bit and ensure all of this pavement is painted, just like we'll be seeing in some other areas we'll be driving through. So like I said earlier, there are some work I saw when I was going towards the Abapa Junction. They are doing currently in New Haven, so we'll be checking that out just to pass there before we navigate to other areas of town. So this is still New Haven. The whole road looking all clean, like newly constructed. Like I said, you can see caution, they scraped some parts, they didn't scrape some parts, so all the work is just going on simultaneously. Beyond the road project he's currently handling, he's also doing all the major roundabouts in Enugu State. Yes, ensuring they are all beautified, you know, and also taking away some of the sculptures, repainting them, remodeling them, something, just doing something across board. And as well, the what's it called, the CCTV camera installation still going perfectly well. I can see that some of them are already blinking at night, so I don't know if they are fully functional yet, so we'll be keeping tabs on that to see how it progresses. Yes, we are currently just at Assembly's bus stop in New Haven. You can see the workers here. So fresh asphalt is what is being poured on this section. So the roads in New Haven, they've done it up to Assembly's currently, coming from New Haven Junction, from Apapa Junction area. So they've done it up to Assembly. So we'll make a quick U-turn now. Let's go see Nza Street, see the government house axis, and see the new resurfacing that has happened within that area. So quite impressive. If you are from Enugu State, do well to rep in the comment section. Let us know what you think of the work going on around your state, and what is your take on the current administration. Are they acting up to expectation? Are they meeting your demands? Let us know in the comment section. We had quite a lot of videos regarding Enugu State in our video catalog. You can do well to just log in and see them for yourself. We have a lot. The international hospital coming up pretty soon, so work is currently going up there. Very soon they'll be commissioning the conference center. We have a lot of updates regarding it as well, so just go on and check all of that for yourself. So we are currently going off to Nza. This junction was fast becoming a problem, let me use that word, because the pothole on that junction before was something else, a lot of traffic around there. So but now that has been fixed. All of the pavement painted has been done, looking all shiny. I believe they'll come and apply the black paint as well pretty soon, just like they've done around Nza Street, which is like one of the newest roads newly completed in Enugu State. Yeah, another thing again I've also observed in this administration is that they pack the dirty on time. Yes, they don't leave dirt around. Okay, like I talked about the painting, you can see the guys already painting towards that direction. So this is one of the newly constructed road in Enugu State. You can see that the painting has been done, the road is totally completed, all the petty work going on, the car wash around the corners have all been moved, the pedestrian lane is also well constructed, so the road is looking all neat and sparkling. So this road used to be terrible, it used to be bad kind of, and with that bridge that fell, it became a major source of distant route for most people, and it became very, very bad, but it has been fixed now. So let's wheel it off towards the government house axis and just show you guys a bit of what the roundabout looks like around there, and the work that has been done on most of those sculptures that are there. Personally, I think Mbah is doing great. Yeah, a lot of projects have been commissioned. We just hope that all will come into total completion by the time his administration is winding up, you know. So some of his agendas, like I said earlier, was city beautification, which he has achieved quite a lot in that regard. The conference center almost at the stage of completion, and they promised commissioning it pretty soon. So, and revamping of a lot of stuff going on, the presidential hotel, the international hospital as well. So don't know what is happening around here that is making everybody turn back. So I think they're having a meeting in the government house, but then I believe it's not a challenge because Mbah has opened up the whole place. So you can see the roundabout in government house and see that it has been well painted. Work is still even going on around there, and the sculpture has been returned back before it was removed. And let's see the one in front. Let's see the one in front. So you can see as well the CCTV camera around here, all installed, fully installed, both for the back and the front, all fully installed. And this is the sculpture in front of government house. You can see how good looking it is. I wonder what will happen by the time they complete it. And I think for the very first time, Enugu too will be having a water fountain in a roundabout. So that is the work he is actually doing on this one at the front. For most of you who have visited Enugu before, this is one popular area that people drive through, and you must have seen this roundabout, but it's taking a total new shape from what it used to be. And there's going to be a water fountain on this particular one. Let this car go forward so I can wheel to where we can see it properly. You can see. Okay, so we'll just make a turn around here while we bring the video to an end. And the international hospital is just in front here, so a lot of things, the conference center just in front. So Mbah is doing quite a lot. We just decided to share a brief of this update with you guys and show you guys the state of the road that is currently working on. So if you are new to our channel and you enjoy content like this, do not hesitate to click on the subscribe button, also turn on notification bell so you can be part of our big family. And for returning subscribers, as always, thank you so much. We appreciate your love for our channel. So guys, we'll see you guys in our next video. Bye.